We'll start putting together the hanger now. A hanger on the first SB3 drive shaft, one off the back of the gearbox. So if we have a look what we've got here, that's the front universal which goes right onto the back of the gearbox. So that's got new universals in it. No loose caps, all Loctited in place now, so that's all good. So if we run back here, we'll start putting it together. So I'm just going to check. I've got a little punch mark in here with 2 punches in it. It's a bit hard to see, but that tells me that's meant to go down like that. So that's going to get assembled onto the end in that orientation. And before we do that, we need our bearing hanger, but we'll put a bit of anti-seize on this. This is like nickel paste, I suppose they call it. Loctite, another Loctite product. World Domination Loctite. That's a bit excessive. Alright, so I've got a bit of anti-seize paste on there. Also do it on the splines. At least we'll be able to get it apart again. Just double check the rotation. Yep, that's good. So a new hanger, we'll slide that on. Now that's a tight fit, so the only way we're going to get that on is to knock it into place, and once it's in place it won't be coming off again for a long time. So we're going to use the flange. We're going to get the flange lined up correctly. The flange is going to push up. Yep, that's right. The flange is going to push up against that. And we'll get the rubber mallet out again. Give it a beating. So that's partially on. So we'll push it on the rest of the way using the nut. Castle nut. And the washer. Yep, so that's pulling it up nicely. I just needed to sit on a block to stop it from rotating. Just making sure that this rubber edge is actually sitting underneath the dish on the drive shaft. So it's not actually sticking out. Yep, you can just feel it rubbing on the rubbers. And that's tight now. So there's a wee bit of drag on that. Might smell burning rubber for a short while, but I think what will happen is it's just got a light bit of rub on the dish, on the dust cover. I think what it'll do is it'll burn off pretty quick. If it doesn't, it'll catch fire. I'm sure it'll just rub off pretty quick, wear into place. So tighten that up. Final big push. Hopefully get our pin through. I think we will succeed. Grab some pliers. Alright, found my pliers. So I'll push this pin through. Okay, so that's not going to come undone easily. done. Okay, so that is one fully restored, fixed up, good to go Bedford DriveShaft for SP3 or NFM or even TKs with similar setup. Okay, so now we've just got that one to do, and we're done. Well, should never say done. Work on a Bedford's never done.